Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. PiCoin is making waves in the crypto space, igniting intense speculation after its explosive 100% surge following its OKX listing announcement. As the countdown to PiNetwork's highly anticipated open mainnet launch on February 20th begins, the crypto community is abuzz with one burning question: will Binance list PiCoin? With rumors swirling about possible listings on Binance, Bybit and HTX, investors are wondering whether PiCoin could hit the coveted $500 mark. Let's break down the latest developments, market sentiment and price projections for PiCoin's future. PiCoin's meteoric rise in exchange frenzy. On Wednesday, PiCoin experienced a parabolic rally, skyrocketing from $50 to over $100 in just hours. The price explosion came on the heels of OKX's listing announcement, sending shockwaves through the market. This sudden surge has sparked widespread discussion. Is PiCoin's momentum just getting started? Will Binance, Bybit and other major exchanges jump in? Could PiCoin's open mainnet launch push it to new all-time highs? While BitGet has confirmed its plan to list PiCoin on February 20th, Bybit's CEO Ben Zhou poured cold water on speculation, stating they have no intention of listing Pi. Meanwhile, HTX has delisted the PI-USDT pair, raising concerns over PiCoin's legitimacy. The biggest catalyst for PiCoin's price explosion would be a Binance listing. With Binance being the world's largest exchange, a Pi listing could send trading volume skyrocketing, driving the price to new highs. However, the mystery remains unsolved. Binance has yet to confirm or deny any plans for a PiCoin listing. Given Pi's controversial reputation, with accusations of a pyramid scheme surfacing in China, some skeptics doubt whether Binance will take the risk. Scenarios to watch. If Binance lists PiCoin, expect a potential price rally toward $500. If Binance remains silent, the market could stay volatile with mixed sentiment. And if Binance rejects PiCoin, a temporary dip might occur. But the open mainnet launch could still fuel a second wave of FOMO. The February 20th open mainnet launch is the biggest event in PiCoin's history. But there's one major issue. It hasn't been officially confirmed by PiNetwork itself. Currently, Pi remains in an enclosed mainnet phase, meaning external exchanges can't officially list it until the network fully opens. Delays in 2023 have left investors cautious, but if PiNetwork delivers on its promises, we could see a game-changing moment for the project. What this means for traders? If the mainnet launches as expected, PiCoin could gain serious traction. However, if delays occur, skepticism might cause price retracements. And, if major exchanges like Binance or Bybit join in, expect a new bull run for PiCoin. The $500 price target is ambitious, but not impossible. For PiCoin to reach these heights, the following key factors must align. Successful open mainnet launch on February 20th, Binance, Bybit or other major exchanges listing PiCoin, sustained community interest and trading volume, and a clear regulatory stance and legitimacy confirmation. For now, all eyes are on Binance. A listing from the world's leading exchange could be the catalyst PiCoin needs to defy expectations and rewrite crypto history. What's your price target for PiCoin? Will Binance list it soon? Let us know in the comments.